Hi. Today I conducted one webinar. This is about secrets of performance optimization, but I renamed it as Formulate Your Secrets to Stand Out in a Crowd. So let me write this one. So this is Formulate Your Secrets. Why instead of my secrets, it is about formulating your secrets. There is a simple reason saying that these are my ways, my secrets, but you can take the clues and redesign your secrets, right? So it will be individual secrets for each of you, although the basic secrets were mine. So today's the entire webinar format I will not go through. This is the most significant slide that everybody asks me. So if you take a close look at this slide, there is a lady and there is a gentleman, right? These are my they are representing my target customers. They are mid-career professionals, very bright, change makers, trendsetters, but they are somehow stuck in their life. They are very bright, somehow stuck because they want to cross their barriers, whatever barrier they are facing right now, and they also have a global vision. So they have a goal, but it is not very specified. They don't have smart goals, and they don't know the how. Although the how is not very important, your goal, your dream is paramount to your progress. But outlining a goal, like the direction of your life, that helps the other person, your consultant, to help you get ahead, right? If you don't have anything, then you haven't thought about your progress, about your next milestone, which is why you are feeling stuck, because you don't know where to go, so you are not going anywhere, right? So that is the clue. And I tried asking people as to why they are feeling stuck. So the questions are very interesting, because mid-career professionals can be both women and men. They have kind of different set of questions to some extent, but there are very common questions as well. So if you look at a lady, the first question is how to become unstuck, because she is so frustrated. That is the first question comes out of her mind. Then the next question, obvious question, is how to balance work and family. That is where she is stuck. And a recent study says that as against 94% of women feeling satisfied at workplace, it has now come down to 6% of satisfaction. 6% of working women are satisfied about their workplace. That because they have reverted to their role as a caretaker and not as a career woman anymore, because they have been laid off, and they are unemployable right now, maybe most of them. That is why they are expressing their dissatisfaction. And how to regain my spark, because when stuck, many things come to the mind, and one of the reason they think is that because their personality is not doesn't have that charm or that influence anymore. That is why um, they are ignored right now. So that is the next problem they have. And they kind of express a thankless existence that they are facing. And this mostly it has to do with the pandemic and the aftermath of a pandemic. But uh, this is the situation right now. And apart from this pandemic also, when stuck, women ask this question. And when suggested about being a leader, develop leadership quality, they wonder whether they are a leader and women leader to that. And obvious question is how can I be more employable? It is wrong here. Not more unemployable. It is how to become more employable. The men, on the other hand, they ask the first question, how to ask pertinent questions, because they cannot word their apprehensions and their problems at the first place, because they are still employed but they are getting half salary. They are still being valued at workplace but at half salary. They haven't been laid off, so that is why they are thinking, if they are valued, then why they are stagnated, why they are stuck. So that is the dilemma they undergo. So this is the first question they ask. And because of this income situation or otherwise, even if it is not a pandemic, what happens is the income level doesn't go up as expected or proportionate to their work, their commitment, dedication, and hard work. So there is family troubles always. There is quarrel at home. So the next question they try to hint out is how to compromise with wife. Then the third category is, why do I lose friends frequently? This is the category of people who think that they have less money and they didn't inherit parental property. That is why their net worth is somewhat low, and that is why friends uh, uh, don't accept them anymore. So that is the question. Then because of this income situation, they ask whether I can, because I have already spent 10 years of my life, and it has been, say, more than 10 years of my me having left my education. Can I still learn something to start a side hustle? So that is the question. And there, pandemic or not, they ask why I seem to attract huge frictions at workplace. So this is the most pertinent question, which is why I started helping people, because this, irrespective of the gender, people face this, mostly men. And do I impress the top leadership? So that is the next question. If your own talent doesn't work, then uh, being in line or pleasing the top leadership helps. That is the next question. That is the hint they give. And the common question that both gender ask is obvious: why my income has stagnated, how to become recognized, because they see their own colleagues with the similar kind of qualification and experience and success rate. They have been promoted and these people have been left out. And how far can I dream? If they are suggested about having a dream, so thinking beyond their operational success and think like a visionary, then they ask how far that dream can go, whether those are possible practical dreams. Should I look for an assignment in another city? This is about job change, and they are hesitating because they have to leave their family and their setup, whole setup. The entire setup needs to be shifted to another city in that case. Should I become a specialist? This is again about acquiring another diploma, degree, or certification to get to the next level. And am I a sought after professional? Do I still am a sought after professional, but there is some personality hiccups, which is why I am stagnated? So these are the questions I naturally get. So if you want to have um, the answers to all these questions, do please attend my webinar. And also um, uh, please subscribe to my channel, so that from time to time I can start replying to your short questions. And Thank you.